Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche 911 GT3. First, familiarize yourself with its high-performance nature. It's a very sensitive car. Adjust your seat and steering wheel for optimal control and visibility. Proper positioning is crucial for precise inputs. If driving a manual, practice smooth clutch engagement and precise gear shifts. The GT3 demands finesse, so avoid abrupt movements. Start slowly and build your confidence with the car's responsiveness. When approaching corners, practice smooth, progressive braking, then gradually ease off the pedal as you turn in. Avoid sudden inputs to prevent unsettling the car. The GT3 advanced traction control systems are there to help, but understanding their limits is key. Focus on hitting your apexes and smoothly applying throttle on corner exit. Remember, consistency and smoothness are more important than raw speed initially. Gradually increase your pace as your comfort grows. Before any track day, conduct a thorough inspection of your GT3. Check tire pressures, brake fluid, and engine oil levels. Ensure your car is in peak condition for the demands of the track. Familiarize yourself with all track flags and safety procedures. Safety is paramount. Start with a few reconnaissance laps to learn the track layout and gradually increase your speed. Listen to instructors and focus on smooth, consistent driving rather than pushing limits too early. Maintaining your Porsche 911 GT3 is vital for its longevity and performance. Adhere strictly to the recommended service intervals, typically annually or every 6,000 miles, for oil changes and inspections. Always use the specified high-quality fuel and lubricants to protect its high-revving engine. Proper care ensures your GT3 remains a thrilling machine for years to come. And for enhancing your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.